What if the power to heal has always been inside you, waiting to be unlocked by your own voice? Welcome to Carlaverse, a space for sound, healing, and the magic of the moon, created especially for those of us in the LGBTQ+ community who seek inner peace and connection, yet open to anyone drawn to the journey of sound healing. I'm Carla, and I share sound healing journeys with every new and full moon. These sessions are designed to align with the lunar cycles, creating space for release, intention, and growth. I believe each of us has the power to heal and find calm within ourselves, and these sound journeys are my way of supporting that. Between the moon phases, I'll also be sharing short vocal activation lessons to help you discover your own voice's potential for healing. And sometimes I'll invite you into my life with personal vlogs. My hope is that Carlaverse becomes a place where you feel you belong, with tools to help you grow and heal on your own terms. Are you ready to explore your inner universe and heal with the moon? If this journey calls to you, join me by subscribing, and let's create a space of healing and connection together.